finding of square roots of an algebraic expression. So, we are going to find out the square roots of an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression which is not the monomial, say here not a monomial. So, we are going to find out the square roots of these algebraic expressions under the advanced level. So, here in order to find out the square roots of the algebraic expressions under the advanced level. So, here which are not the monomials, there are of three kinds or there are three methods of finding the square roots. The first one is of inspection method, where we will be using the special products, and whereas the second one is of division method, third one is of method of undetermined coefficients. So, here to find the square roots of an algebraic expressions, that is which are not the monomials, there are of three methods. So, here to find out the square root of an algebraic expression which are not the monomials, there are of three methods. They are so here number one, the first method is of inspection method. Here in this particular inspection method, we will be using the special products such as a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, and similarly and so on. So, in this manner we will be using the special products in the method called the inspection, and whereas the second one, the second method is of the division method. And the final one, that is the third method, is of method of undetermined coefficients. Method of undetermined coefficients. So, here particularly in this regard, so we are going to perform the first one, that is the inspection method now. Method number one, in finding the square roots of algebraic expressions which are not the monomials. So, here it is of inspection method. That is by using the special products. So, under this inspection method, we are going to perform an example. So, example is of find the square root of an algebraic expression which is nothing but 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz, then now plus 4zx. There are of 3 plus 3, there are of 6 terms in it, in the given algebraic expression. So, here we have to find out the square root of this algebraic expression consisting of 6 terms. Then now the solution starts. The solution starts now. The given algebraic expression is of so as per the problem, the given algebraic expression is 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. So, here we know one identity, one special product, that is nothing but, so here a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then now, so based upon this special product, so here let us find out the square root of the given expression or the given algebraic expression as 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. So, here 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So, here I want to write it as, so 4x square as, say now 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx can be written as or implies 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. So, here square is applicable for both 2 and as well as x, that is 2 square, 2 into 2 is of 4 and x square is of x square. That is the second term, that is y square. Y square can be written as plus of minus y whole square. So, here actually it is of plus y square. So, here y square minus y square is repeatedly multiplied twice. So, minus of minus is of plus, plus into plus is of plus again, then now y square is written as it is. Then now plus z square can be written as plus z whole square itself. Then now let us compare. Let us compare here a by means of 2x, b by means of minus y and c by means of z. So, here a equals to 2x and b equals to minus y and c equals to only z. So, here a square, that is 2x whole square, then now b square, that is minus y whole square plus c square, c is of z, that is z square, then now the remaining terms, that is 3 terms, plus 2ab, 2 into a value. So, a value is of 2x into b value is of minus y plus 2bc plus 2 into bc, b is of minus y into c is of z plus 2ca, 2 into c is of z into a is of 2x. Then now let us compare. 2x whole square is of 4x square minus repeatedly multiplied twice, minus of minus plus y square, it is of plus y square. Third term z square is of z square. Then now here plus of minus is of minus. Then now 2 2 is of 4, 4 into xy is of 4xy. Then now plus of minus is of minus 2 into y into z is of 2yz. Then now plus 2 2s is of 4 into zx, 4zx. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. But that implies, so a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to a plus b plus c whole square. So here we can write it as a value as, so here a as, this a as 2x plus b as minus y plus c as z whole square. So here in this manner we have utilized this special product a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is in this form, which is equals to a plus b plus c whole square as 2x plus minus y plus z whole square. This is of a and this is of b and this is of c. Then now here next logical step will be of, that implies 2x is of positive, we can write it as 2x as it is. Then now plus of minus is of minus y, then now plus z. So here plus z, but it must be squared. So in this manner we can write it as 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus zx is equals to 2x minus y plus z whole square. So that implies 2x minus y plus z whole square. So 2x minus y plus z whole square. But as per the problem, you have to find out the square root of the given. So here we have to find out the square root of the given. Then but square root of the given problem is of 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz then plus 2zx is given by means of is equals to, so square root of this particular expression is given by means of 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 2zx under root. So here root of this left side is equals to, we have to write the square root on the other hand also, root of this right side, which is nothing but 2x minus y plus z whole square. So here is equals to root of, the right side is of, the right side quantity is of, so here 2x minus y plus z whole square. So here we got for this expression as 2x minus y plus z whole square. So in order to find out the square root, so we have to find the square root of the perfect square also. So now the square and the root will be gets cancelled. So we will be getting it as 2x minus y plus z as the square root. So here hence square root of the given expression is equals to 2x minus y plus z.